Welcome. This is Jim, Sawlogs Plastic Hubs, and welcome to Slop in the Shop. Just to give you a quick update what Slop in the Shop is. You other creators had different videos, this and that, or purchases, or all this kind of stuff, or mail calls, or whatever you want to call it. My case is Slop in the Shop. It's based on the way old southern families used to keep a pig. They throwed all their scraps in a bucket, called it pig slop. So you'll able to see anything in this video, from a project being worked on, to purchases, to just whatever I throw in it. It's sort of like a video blog. With that being said, enjoy. Okay, I've recently was communicating and just subscribed to, we all subscribe to different channels. Joe Way out at Sierra Specialty Auto, he sent me some stickers, and I've sent him some and some stuff, so that's kind of it. Another thing that's going on today is we got another medicine bottle we'll probably work on sometime in the future. So, but now the real main project's back to the saw. Good morning. Ray Canilla over at Ray's Garage was kind enough to send us a couple channel stickers, so we're adding to the collection. These are some new paint cups. I finally went to my local store and purchased paint cups, and I've never used these before. This is you've heard me mention the teacher's box a couple of times, and I've never went and purchased them. The cups are a lot like the smaller ones that I've used before. And let me kind of just roll the camera over here. It's a lot like the ones that I've sent out to some people already, a little different. Internally, they're a lot like the ones I sent to Everett and to Keith Rucker. Except one make difference. They have lids with them. So I'm out of Melissa and Doug's. I just sent my last Melissa and Doug out to another YouTube creator, and I'm going to give, and basically I thought, well, I'll kind of be honest with you because this will be later. I sent it out to Adam because his channel. Adam is sort of almost like Mr. Pete. He's almost a YouTube legend. And so, with that being said, he has finally quit his day job, and so I thought I would send him a gift. So, with that being said, I've also got some of these nice business cards from Ray's. And I'm going to be putting one of the stickers up on the wall, obviously. So, with that being said and done, that's today's updates outside the saw. The saw is running. You'll probably, by the time you see this, you'll see the complete saw series video. So, got another mushroom can here to work on. I'm going to disassemble this sometime. And today, I don't feel good. I've been back to the chiropractor and my shoulder's hurting, so I may not come back out to the shop. It's already lunchtime. Usually I'm done quit my lunch. So, with that being said and done, here we go. Thought I would do my ever-expanding sticker wall here. Let me get over here where you can get the Ray. That's Ray Canilla's, Everett's, and one from Joe Way and all. And I do have one from my buddy Tom over here, one of his older ones. I think Tom says he's going to make some new ones. You noticed I'm not too keen. I ain't put one of my own up. That goes to show you how unpretentious I can be. So, I just want you to, again, I have stickers. They're out there. And if you have some, to send them to me. Obviously, that's the latest ones. So, have a great day. I've snug this up. This is the standard 3/4 wrench right there. Now all we're going to do is just, what I done is I just went to the drill press and I just literally took a just took a scale or a carton square, something like that, and I just put an X in it, went down it. This Durling is real soft stuff. Now I'm gonna tell you, and I was just thinking about this. If you want to make an oil cup at home and don't have Durling, but want something to use, you know I use PVC pipe. Hey, go to your big box store back in your hardware or the lumber area and get some of them PVC boards and just cut you some squares out of that. You can take a circle cutter if you're really so inclined. That'll work. When I made go-kart hubs, I literally made them out of flats, just like this. The difference is I use a circle cutter, which I already put the hole in them. We're just taking light cuts because there's not a lot holding it with that orbit. So all we're doing is just more or less knocking the squares off. I mean, I could have went in and hexagoned them. These are fairly small, it won't take long. I'll bring you back. I've got these things down to a size that's going to work for me. Now they're not going to be perfect, but again, this is just for oil cups. So what I'm going to do now is you just do this outside one first and set it up so I can cut the lip in it. And I know I'm about, and with Durling we can just take all kind of big cuts and risks because this has helped really good. Okay, so I'm at about 680, which is going to give me just a little bit of a lip. So the inside of a cup is about 100,000 smaller. It's about 550, so I'm at 680. So let's just go 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay. We got a stop set. And just check our size. About 10 to 15 thousandths. So we'll go a little bit more. Take a light cut, see if the cup will fit on it fairly tight. Okay. So this is for this can. You want these to fit fairly tight. If they don't, okay, got to go. So when you're like this, you just want to take a couple of thou and one thing you can't get is consistent measurement on these metal cans. I took a die grinder this time and ground the lips out of these. This is just the same kind of can that Vernon featured in his video here recently that I give him, and he flared the ends on it. This one's going to have 3/4 pipe in it. Now this needs a little more. We're going to glue all this with, in case you're wondering, all this will be glued. I'm going to epoxy it, so it don't have to be I just love to have a nice tight fit, because when I epoxy, it will be perfectly good. See, I'm still liking some. No, I can get it on there. That's all you want. You want that to go on. Okay, so that can, so that one nut's ready. We'll flip it around and put another one in. Well, there is all the little work I was doing today blog wise, and I'm not beating the horse. I've just got these all laid out. These are the cups, these are the cans, these are the soup cans, And I went ahead before I got into this project. So you see, these are workable. Okay. So these are the soup cans. And this is the pill bottle for another bottle, for a bench bottle for somebody. So this is 2 Campbell soup cans. This is a mushroom can, which you've seen me use before. Then you got these others. I'll keep these glued up. These will be for gifts and shippings and whatever. So there's what I've been doing. So you see, this is how this turned out, turning these out like that. So that can's got a dent, but it don't matter. I ain't selling them. So have a great one. Hey, I'm in the garage, and this is Saturday night. We went to the regular Saturday night auction up Conover. Hey, this time I didn't get no lighthouses, believe it or not. I seen this in the auction lots, and I had to pick it up. This is a USA indicator. It's really good. The stand is a Kanishu. It's a Japanese made. It's the older style stands. But then it's not like the Noga stand. But the USA indicator, it just feels really good. It's got one little scratch. I don't think it's cracked. It's got a scratch on the lens. I give $20 for it. So to me, the indicator is worth the $20. Hey, I went to Conover and didn't buy no lighthouses. We did buy a pottery piece for the madam, but Chris did. So here we go. I thought I'd throw this on in there. I thought I'd give you a life of how I'm shaking the paint can up. I've got this little paint. I'm going to paint this stand. I had the paint here in the shop. It's black. Hey, that's what I got. That's what we're going to use. There it is. This is my other bandsaw blade came in yesterday too. And it's it comes from a company called Bandsaw Warehouse in Illinois, and basically what they do is they sell German blades, and I had this one welded and made exactly for my saw. Okay, I'm just showing you a clip of my bandsaw, my vertical. I painted the stand today, and the reason I chose black is because I had black paint. This was all brushed. I didn't disassemble it. It's not going to be pretty. It's just going to have a coat of black paint on it to sort of protect it. And that was all I was after, just to get something on it so it wouldn't be this. And I had some black Rust-Oleum here in the shop, so that's what we've used to paint the stand with. Now once it dries, I'll put everything back together on it. And I'm just putting this in a slop because this is just basically a little that, and there was a couple other minor little details. You'll notice this here's cut out too a little bit here on the angles. That is because I went ahead and just made that look neater. And I'm still debating on building guards for the top belt. I know that it would be safer with them, but since I'm in this shop by myself and that everything's away, I may not build them. I know Mr. Pete would have a fit, but I'm kind of the person that sometimes, this is not an OSHA shop, so might leave it be. I don't know yet. I'm still thinking if I do, it'd be something like hardware cloth or something I can attach to the saw fairly easily. So I'm still working on through that, and I may do something like that. And if I do anything like that, it'd be some sort of screening that I just put around. Okay, so there we are in the saw. Welcome, and I'm glad you enjoyed Slop in the Shop. This is a copyrighted production of James Dedman, Saw Logs Plastic Hubs, for your enjoyment on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed Slop in the Shop today, and we will look forward to seeing you on the very next video.